So, your Bosch dishwasher suddenly flashes the Bosch Dishwasher E26 error, and you're wondering, what now? Don't worry. Let's break it down in simple terms. The E26 error means there is a problem with something called the water switch or flow control system. Technically, it has a fault in the water diverter, a little component inside the dishwasher that helps control where the water goes during a cycle. If it's stuck, broken, or just confused, your dishwasher doesn't know what to do. So it throws the Bosch Dishwasher E26 error at you. Why does it happen? Sometimes, it's just wear and tear. Other times, a piece of food, scale buildup, or even a little debris can jam the mechanism. If the diverter motor can't move freely or send the right signal, the dishwasher stops everything to avoid damaging itself. Now, can you fix it yourself? Actually, yes. At least in some cases. First, unplug the dishwasher and take a look at the base panel. If you're comfortable doing that, check for any visible blockages or signs of water leakage near the diverter area. Cleaning it out might be all it needs. But if the motor itself is faulty, you might need to replace it. If that sounds like too much, no shame in calling a pro. The average repair cost for the Bosch Dishwasher E26 issue is around $100, $180, depending on the model and your location. So, to wrap it up, the Bosch Dishwasher E26 error points to a fault with the water diverter or flow control. It's not the end of the world, and in many cases, it's fixable without too much stress. And hey, now you know what's going on. That's already a big step forward.